friends, welcome to our cozy home. I'm Gina. In today's video I want to share with you a recipe that I just found, but I hear that it is really old. It's called funeral potatoes and I have never heard of it, so I found the recipe on Pinterest, so I thought I would give it a try for supper tonight, and I want to share the recipe with you. The recipe calls for 2 pounds of frozen hash browns, 2 tablespoons of minced onions frozen, 2 cups of sour cream, 10.5 ounce cream of chicken soup, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. And in this bowl, I then got my onions, my salt, and my hash browns ready to go. So I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. I'm adding the 2 cups of sour cream, then your can of cream of chicken, tablespoons of melted butter, and I then got that melted. So it goes in there. We'll stir this up and then add the cheese. And add 2 cups of shredded cheese. And this is Colby Jack, but that's all I have, so I'm using that. So just stir that all up. It smells good. I got my 9 by 13 greased casserole dish. Take this. Okay, there it is. And you got to preheat your oven to 350. And now for the topping, 2.5 cups of cornflakes. I put them in the little bag, and I'm just gonna give them a little crunch. And then to this, you want to add 1/2 cup of melted butter. I done got it melted, and I'm just going to add it in the bag. And kind of just squeeze it around. And then let me get you down here and you can see. It's a little harder to videotape when you're by yourself. And just sprinkle it on. Okay, here's what it looks like before I put it in the oven. It smells really good. And you put it in the oven anywhere between 40 to 45 minutes at 350. And I'll let you see it when it's done. It's an easy recipe. I hope it's good. And there they are, fresh out of the oven. They smell yummy. Look at a spoon and see what they look like. I'll have Brian try them for you. Well, there's supper tonight. Barbecued chicken, funeral potatoes, and a roll. Looks pretty good. Smells even better. Okay, we got Brian here as a guinea pig. They're called funeral potatoes, and I want to know if they're good enough to die for.
You trying to kill me?
Trying. No, I'm not.
Funeral potatoes.
Yeah, you ever heard of them?
No.
Me neither.
Sounds like something
It's hash browns, cheesy hash browns.
cheesy hash browns. Well, give me a little salt. I like to have a little salt.
You're just trying to kill the flavor. Are you scared? Honey. Are they good?
Yeah, pretty good.
Do you like them better
A little
than
different.
Crackle Barrel hash brown casserole?
No.
So, do you want me to serve them back?
They're different. They're about the same, but they're different.
Is it good enough to serve at your funeral?
I won't be eating them.
Well, kitchen's clean, supper's over. Peachy pinch.
Watch it.
Would you have it again?
Yeah, I'll eat it again. It's pretty good. Pretty good supper.
I liked it. The only thing I do different, I would add more cornflakes on top because that really gave it a good flavor.
Yeah, I like the crunch.
Yeah, that's the only thing I do different, but I would definitely make them again. Well, as always, thanks for stopping by, and we hope to see you soon.
See y'all.